Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur French Popcorn for our fifth lesson of this complete free French course for beginners. Today in the menu for you we will learn how to talk about where you live in France. We learn how to say I live in Paris, I live in an apartment, and use simple words like house, room, it's big, it's small, etc. So we are starting to expand a little bit our knowledge in French, and we will have plenty of extra content with for you in our Telegram group. You can find the link in the description of this video. Okay, let's go on attack. C'est parti. Okay, I would like to start with a small dialogue, right? Bonjour, hello, salut. Tu habites où? Hi, where do you live? J'habite à Lyon. Et toi? I live in Lyon. And you? What about you? Moi, j'habite à Londres dans un appartement. I live in London in an apartment. Super, c'est grand. Wow, is it big? Ah non, c'est petit, mais j'aime mon appartement. No, it's small, but I love my apartment. Okay, guys, there's a plenty of things in this little dialogue. So we will focus right now on the most important key sentences, right? Let's go. Let's look at this short dialogue, right? Where do you live? Literally, you live where to? Okay. J'habite à Lyon. I live in Lyon. So if you can notice here, before Lyon, we have a word, a letter A with the accent. Okay, this is preposition A with the accent grave. Why we are using it? We are using it before the city's name. So if we want to say I live in Lyon or I live in and the city name, then in front of that we can use this preposition. For example, j'habite à Lyon et toi, I live in Lyon and you. Moi, j'habite à Londres. Again, you can see before Londres, which is a city, we are again using a. So if you want to say I live in Jaipur, I live in Paris, okay, you can use any city's name. Before that, you should use this preposition and to say I live. So you could say j'habite à Paris, j'habite à Lyon, j'habite à Londres, etc., etc., etc. Then, j'habite à Londres dans un appartement. I live in London in an apartment. There we are using dans when we want to mean in or inside something. Okay, for example, dans un appartement, in an apartment, within the apartment, inside the apartment. So for that, we are using another preposition, which is dans. Now here we are going to discuss a bit of vocabulary in French when we speak about housing in general. So let's see that. Well, here we have some words you can well repeat after me. First we have une maison, a house, un appartement, an apartment, an apartment, une chambre, a room or especially a bedroom, un studio, a studio flat, and the last one is un immeuble, a building. Super, great work. Let's keep going. Well, guys, now it's your turn. Write in comment of this video. I told you writing is key, so you can write in your notebooks, but please join the community right here in the comment. The name of your city, the type of place you live in, and one word to describe, like it's big or it's small. For example, j'habite à Nairobi dans un appartement, c'est petit. Do you think you will be able, you will be capable of writing sentence like this in the comment? Please do. I cannot wait to see your comments and give you a little reply, little like, little heart to your comment, because we love you so much for joining us and learn this language together. I'm very happy that you people are here with me and we are learning the language together. Okay, guys, well, it's time for the live exercises. Ooh. Complete with the correct words. Let's go, everybody. This is a sentence we want to translate. We want to complete in French. I live in Paris in a house. Remember, it was in Oh my God. Is it masculine? It is feminine. We will see if you have a good memory. Yeah. Second sentence, I live in New York. Watch out, it's a city name in a small apartment. This one is pretty easy one to know. Let's say, okay, are you guys ready for the answer? Très bien. Okay, so okay, guys, if you feel it's a little bit complicated, it's completely normal to feel overwhelmed a little bit when you are learning a new language. So don't forget after just this lesson to go to the Telegram support group, write everything you can in your notebook, review your notebook every time you can record yourself speaking in French. All these little things that will be very helpful for your improvement. Okay, and yes, of course, go to the Telegram group, download all the material, do the exercises of grammar, vocabulary, phonetics, write the key sentences in your notebook, and wait for the next lesson. Do not forget to subscribe, like my channel, and if you have any suggestions, you can drop your messages, your comments in the comment box. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Bonne journée. Bisous, bisous.